In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on those three lines at the top right corner to access settings. After managing all of them however you want to, go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark, on the right one. Now switch your cameras if you want to. Take a pic. Discard it by tapping on X or add it by clicking on the check mark. If you want to discard your recording, click on Cancel at the top left corner. To end it and save it though, hit Save at the top right one and name it. Then click on Save. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it on the list. Tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!